Hello everyone, this is Vidya. I'm senior embryologist working in Garbhagudi IVF Center, Hanmanagar branch. So, what is embryology? Embryology is nothing. It is a field where we do all the procedures in a wet laboratory. We collect gametes, we give a successful pregnancy, we give beautiful embryos, which gives a successful pregnancy. To start your career in embryology, you can either do a PG in embryology, or you can do your master's in life science, and then an additional crash course or a PG diploma in embryology. Or you can be a medical graduate doing BDS or NDS. After that, you can do a crash course in embryology and you can have a successful career in embryology. So basically, I started my career in embryology. I was an aspirant to become an embryologist. I have completed my degree in bioscience, a postgraduate degree in bioscience, and I have done a PG diploma in clinical embryology. I had a high willpower to become an embryologist, and I started slowly as a trainee embryology and then junior embryologist. Now it has been 10 years in this field, and I'm very proud to say that we have been successfully going ahead in this field. It gives high scope for medical graduate or any person from a life science background. Not only your career in embryology as an embryologist, you can also set up your career in a research sector also, and you can go ahead being an embryologist come a researcher.